Alright folks, this is for the sheer entertainment of this. I came across this box fan. I call it the bicycle rim box fan. I came across this back in Virginia. It was in a rural area on the west of Richmond. I've had this for well over a decade, but to the moment I saw this, I said, I have to have this. And at the time, it didn't have this nice cord that I have, recently attached here now by a friend. You didn't do it yourself, P? Hell no. I'm afraid of messing with electricity, okay? But someone back in the day was so hell-bent that they were going to pinch every penny, because this is an old K-Mart box fan. This thing's probably at least in the 1980s. This is probably back then like $5.99 on sale. Maybe $10 if we were really stretching it back then. 30, 40 bucks now, right? But who knows? But this thing is beat the get out. It's got an old rusty bicycle rim. And I looked at it though and I said, I think this can still work. But somebody back in the day was like, you know what? I'm going to show the man. I ain't going to go out and buy another box fan. Screw them. Hey, Bill, put this bicycle rim. Let's Frankenstein it on this damn, K-Mart box fan. So, without further ado, I'm going to plug it up because I think everybody should be able to see this one. Let's see. Interesting. There it goes. Let's see here. You guys ready for this? I don't even think Jake's ready for this. Jake, you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready, Dad. I'm ready for this.
Oh my God. It gives off no wind, just as I suspected, because I talked this over with some friends and stuff, and we all concluded that it does put off a little wind, not much though. Actually does do a little bit of wind, more upward. That is crazy. But I just had to save this. I'm like, what in the hell? So, yep. K-Mart bicycle rim box fan. Frankenstein in the rural Virginia. I've had this about 10 years, but never did anything with it. It's the first time I put it to the test once we got a plug put on it. Nice. Who said that Hillbilly ingenuity wasn't great? This is making K-Mart beat the hell out of commission K-Mart box fans great again. Nice. Total cray-cray. Let me see if I can change the speed real quick. It did change some. It is slowing down. It's on medium right now. We go to low. That got on low now. You wouldn't dare stick your finger in there, man. Those spokes, those are real American steel spokes. Those things take your fingers off. That's an old rim. Not on a bet. I don't think the low speed works. I think it's just medium and high. Yeah, it looks like she's coming to a stop. Yep. All right, so that was on low. So the low's not working. We got it medium. Medium is working. And then we want to really step up our game. This thing is beat the hell out of. Like I said, this hillbilly did not want to give another dollar to the man at K-Mart. They're like, I'm going to put this bicycle rim in here. Total craziness. And I just turned it off. That's the craziest damn thing I've ever seen. The K-Mart bicycle rim box fan. That is some hillbilly ingenuity, repurposing at its greatest. Making repurposing great again right here, guys.